सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू 297th क्लास सप्तनवत्युत्तर द्विशततमी कक्षा अद्य अभ्यास संख्या एकोनत्रिंशदुत्तर त्रिशततमः अभ्यासः। Well, still yesterday we've been doing Shatru and Shanach. Shatru was done extensively practiced Shatru in the book, and Shanach is not the book is not devoting much to Shanach because it is very simple. One thing you have to bear in mind is Shanach is used with Atmanepadi dhatus exclusively, and Shatru is always with Parasmepadi dhatus. So, and the derivation of Shanach Pratyaya Rupas is very, very simple in the sense Rama Shabda, Rama Shabda and Phala Shabda, Kanya Shabda, these are the Shabdas which are derived in the three lingas. Trishu Lingeshu Shanajanta Pratyayam Rama Shabdavat Purlinge, Strilinge Rama Shabdavat, Napumsakalinge Phala Shabdavat भवन्ति इति वयं पूर्वमेव तत् दृष्टवन्तः। अद्य अभ्यासः अस्ति। अभ्यासानन्तरं कश्चन पाठः अस्ति, राम स्वयंवर सीता स्वयंवरः। सो अभ्यासं कुर्मः। सर्वप्रथमं 1:39 अभ्यासं निर्देशानुरूपं वाक्यं निर्मात। नाउ यू कंस्ट्रक्ट सेंटेंस एज पर द इंस्ट्रक्शन। No example is provided. दश वाक्यानि सन्ति अत्र। श्रीनिवास पठतु। परं वरं dash भक्तः तपः करोति। कामयमानः भक्तः तपः करोति। वरं कामयमानः डिजायरिंग डिवोटी भक्तः, a devotee desiring a boon, tapaha karoti is doing the tapasya. A devotee is doing tapas what for? Varam kamayamanaha, wanting a boon, desiring for a boon. So kami becomes kamayamanaha. 2.
Evam dash saha dosham krutavan
आचक्षाणः सह दोषं कृतवान्। एवं आचक्षाणः, स्पीकिंग लाइक दिस, सह दोषं कृतवान्। You made a mistake speaking like this, while speaking like this. 3.
घटं dash बालकः खेदं प्राप्तवान्।
भिन्दानः बालकः खेदं प्राप्तवान्। While breaking a pot, a boy खेदं प्राप्तवान्, got difficulty, dukham. A boy got into trouble, you can say, experienced trouble while breaking a pot. Ghatam bhindanah. 4.
नायकं देवं dash जनाः तं पूजयति।
मन्यमानः मन्यमानौ मन्यमानाः जनाः, because जनाः is plural. नायकं देवं मन्यमानाः जनाः तं पूजयन्ति, तं नायकं पूजयन्ति. So people, जनाः, नायकं leader, देवं मन्यमानाः, considering him as God, especially in South India, Chennai. नायकं देवं मन्यमानाः जनाः तं पूजयन्ति. So people considering a leader to be God worship him. And there are temples also in South India of politicians built, film actors temples, height of so नायकं देवं मन्यमानाः. Yes. 5.
सः वस्तूनि dash mitram apashyat.
Yes.
He
क्रीणानम सह वस्तूनि क्रीणानम मित्रम अपश्यत. He saw a friend buying things. He saw, sorry, vastuni kreenanam mitram, a friend who was buying the things. He saw a friend who was buying the things. Kreenanam. Next.
विद्यालये dash छात्रः संतोषम् अनुभूतवान्.
स्पर्धमानः, very simple. विद्यालये स्पर्धमानः छात्रः संतोषम् अनुभूतवान्. स्पर्धमानः means competing in the school. Yes, Srinivas. Next.
दोषं dash अध्यापकः छात्रं प्रेषितवान्.
What is that? क्षममाणः. दोषं क्षममाणः अध्यापकः. A teacher pardoning the mistake, forgiving the mistake of a student. Understood? Preshitavan. Forgiving a mistake, a teacher, adhyapaka, chatram preshitavan, that means sent him away from the class. The teacher sent away the boy, forgiving his mistake. Dosham क्षममाणः अध्यापकः छात्रं प्रेषितवान्. कक्षायाः बहिः प्रेषितवान् इति. कक्षातः. 8.
धर्म विषये dash वेदांती जनान् तोषितवान्.
भाषा. धर्म विषये भाषमाणः वेदांती जनान् तोषितवान्. A Vedantic scholar pleased people. Vedanti toshitavan, has pleased janan, the people. How? Dharma vishaye bhashamana, speaking about dharma. A Vedantic scholar pleased the audience, you can say. Bhasha manaha. 9.
वेदिकायां dash धनं दृष्ट्वा कृपणः सन्तुष्टः with vidya.
So here in the answer book there is a mistake. Vidyamanaha is there. What is the subject here? Noun dhanam. Dhanam is napumsakalinga. So how can vidya we cannot get Vidyamanaha is pullinga. That is given in the book. Petikayam vidyamanam dhanam društva. So manam, not manaha. There is a printing mistake in the book. Petikayam vidyamanam dhanam društva. Having seen the money kept in the lying. Vidyamanam means lying in the box, suitcase. Seeing the money lying in the suitcase you can say. Krupanaha santushtaha bhavati. Understood? A miser becomes happy seeing money lying in the suitcase, in the briefcase or suitcase. So there is simple printing error. Vidyamanam. So dhanam društva krupanaha santushtaha bhavati is understood. And the last one.
परिसरं dash सह तूष्णीं अतिष्ठत्
अवलोकमानः. Parisaram avalokamanaha. While watching the environ, saha tushnim atishtat. He stood silent while watching the parisara. Parisara means surroundings. While watching the surroundings, saha tushnim atishtat. He stood silent. So these 10 are there. It doesn't take much time. We'll write and go over to some more. Last exercise will be there, 3:30, which we will take up today. So tell me, Srinivas. 3:29.
Yes, sir.
एकोनत्रिंशत् उत्तरत्रिशततमः अभ्यासः. 3:29. Yes.
Number 1 dash varam dash कामयमानः.
कामयमानः.
भक्तः.
2
एवं आचक्ष
dash
dash
आचक्षाणः
आचक्षाणः
सः दोषं कृतवान् ओके 3
dash घटं भिन्दानः बालकः क्षीरं प्राप्तः
4
dash dash नायकं देवं मन्यमानाः जनाः
ओ जनाः not necessary
dash dash सह वस्तूनि
ओह
क्रीणमानं मित्रं क्रीणमानं मित्रम् अवश्य
नेक्स्ट
विद्यालय dash स्पर्धमानः छात्रः स्पर्धमानः छात्रः dash
7
दोषं dash
क्षममानः
क्षममानः अध्यापकः
अध्यापकः
धर्मविषये भाषमाणः वेदान्ती पीठिकायां विद्यमानं धनं
here is that simple विद्यमानं विद्या विद्या विद्यमानं धनं
नास्ति परिसरं dash अवलोकमानः सः तूष्णीम् कामयमानः आचक्षाणः भिन्दानः 4 मन्यमानाः 5 क्रीणमानं
क्रीडमानं क्रीडानं I was thinking what is क्रीडानं Ana comes here क्रीडानं
स्पर्धमानः क्षममानः भाषमानः
क्षममानः so many mistakes are ana ksha is there na भाषमाणः विद्यमानं अवलोकमानः राइट सो एतानि 10 शानजन्तरूपाणि सन्ति कृपया पश्यन्तु अवगच्छन्तु च अनन्तरं वयं सीतास्वयंवरः इति कञ्चन पाठं पठामः अवधेयं त्रिषु लिंगेषु त्रिषु वचनेषु अन्यासु विभक्तिषु अपि शानच प्रत्ययान्त रूपाणां सदृश शब्द रूपानुसारेण प्रयोग दैट इज इन ऑल द 3 genders and 3 numbers शानच प्रत्ययान्त रूपाणां सदृश शब्द अनुसारेण so just now I told you derivation is very simple like shanach is always pullinga is like rama shabda strilinga is like rama shabda napumsaka is like phala shabda no phala shabda pustaka shabda phala phalam phale phalani that is what easy it is shanach is easy even shatru is also shatru is somewhat anna gacchan gaccantau gaccantah this is कामयमानः कामयमानौ कामयमानाः देवः देवौ देवाः like so that is what the observation is made here trishu lingeshu trishu vachaneshu अन्यासु विभक्तिषु in other vibhaktis also shanach pratyanta roopanam sadrusha shabda roopanusarena sadrusha shabda roopa means similar Shabdas, nouns, like Deva, Purlinga, Rama, Strilinga, etc. So, you have seen 10 answers?
Yes.
You have also read out. Okay. Shanach Pratyanta Prayagaha has come here. Yoga is good. Prayogaha Tishulingeshu. Now, in all the three genders, we will see here in this story. Sita Swayamvaraha, Sitayaha Swayamvaraha, Sita Swayamvaraha. The self-selection of Sita, or self-choice marriage of Sita, we can say. Swayamvaraha, Swayam Vrunate iti Swayamvara. Varaha, Swayamvaraha. Atra Kanya Varam Vrunoti. Kanya Varam. Ataha Swayamvaraha. Varaha Swayam Kanyaya Vrutaha Bhavati. Varaha Swayam Kanyaya Vrutaha Bhavati iti Swayamvara. Because the groom is selected by the girl herself. Girl selecting the bridegroom, not the groom selecting the bride here. In Swayamvara, girl will be going to each and every contestant there. So whomever she likes, she will put the Varmala. So one of the, we talked long back, if you remember, Ashtavidha Vivahas are there. I explained long back in some context. Gandharva Vivaha, Paishacha Vivaha, then Arsha Vivaha, so types are there. So Gandharva is like the modern love marriage. So this is Swayamvara is one of them. Swayamvara Paddhati. Okay, so you can read Srinivas.
Yes. Mithilayam Sitayaha Vivaham Kamayamanena Rajnya Janakena Swayamvara Sabha Ayojita Tadardham Bahubhyah Deshebhyah Rajanaha Amantritaha Asan.
Okay. You want to stop it? No. Mithilayam, Mithila Shabda. Mithila was the capital of Videha country in those days. Mithila was the capital of Videha Desha. So Sita is known by these two names, Maithili, because she comes, Vaidehi. Sita, she is called because she was found from the floor, that ground furrow. Therefore she is called Sita. So Vaidehi, Maithili. Mithilayam Sitayaha Vivaham Kamayamanena Shatru Shanach Pratyantakam. Just now we done last one somewhere. Kamayamanaha, yes, first one. Mithilayam Sitayaha Vivaham Kamayamanaha or Kamayamanena Rajna Janakena. So Trutiya Janakena, and the Shanach is also Kamayamanena Rajna Trutiya Janakena Trutiya. Swayamvara Sabha Ayojita. The assembly of Swayamvara was arranged by the king Janaka, wanting to perform the Swayamvara of Sita in Mithila. Mithila was the capital. Raja Dhanyam Mithilayam Videshasya Rajadhani Mithila Tasyam Mithilayam Rajadhanyam Vivaham Kamayamanena Nrupena Rajna Janakena Kim Ayojita? Swayamvara Sabha Ayojita was arranged. Tadartham, for that purpose, Swayamvara Artham Bahubhyaha Deshebhyaha Rajanaha Amantritaha Asan. From many countries, Bahubhyaha Deshebhyaha, Panchami. Bahubhyaha Deshebhyaha Rajanaha Amantritaha were invited. Asan were invited. Amantritaha Asan were. So many kings were invited from many places.
Swayamvara Mandape Vidyamanam Vidyamanam Shivadhanuhu Nirnahikam Bhumikam Nirvakshyati iti Ghoshana Jayamana Asit. यः शिवधनुषि बाणम् आरोपयिष्यति तस्मै सीता प्रदास्यते इति उद्घोषकः भाषमाणः
अभवत्. Okay. Swayamvara Mandape, there was a mandap, there was a, what do you call, mandap is called in English, pandal. There was a pandal of Swayamvara erected. In the Swayamvara Mandapa, Vidyamanam Shiva Dhanuhu. Dhanush Shabda is Napumsakalinga. Dhanuhu, Dhanushi, Dhanumshi. So therefore, Vidyamanam Napumsaka. Just like we had a mistaken here. Petikayam Vidyamanam Dhanam. We made just now. Vidyamanaha Dhanam na Vidyamanam Dhanam. So here, Swayamvara Mandape Vidyamanam lying Shiva Dhanuhu. In the Swayamvara Mandapa, there was a Dhanush bow lying there, kept. Lying Vidyamanam Shiva Dhanuhu Nirnayikam Bhumikam Nirvakshyati iti Ghoshana Jayamana Asit. There was an announcement was made. Ghoshana Jayamana Asit means an announcement was being made, created, that the bow that was lying in the Swayamvara Pandal would be the Nirnayikam Bhumi, play a very decisive role in the marriage Swayamvara of Sita. And what was the condition? Yaha Shiva Dhanushi Banam Aropayishyati. Whoever will lifts the bow Shiva Dhanush and fix the arrow into the bow, Shiva Dhanushi in the Dhanush, in the bow, Banam Aropayishyati. Whoever will be able to put the arrow into the bow, Tasmai, for that person, Sita Pradasyati. Sita will be given. Sita will be given to that person, whoever lifts and puts the arrow into that. Iti, thus, Udgoshakaha, the announcer. Udgoshaka means a person was announcing. Bhashamanaha abhavat. One announcer was announcing this, speaking this. Whoever will lift and put an arrow into the bow will be given Sita. It was being announced there.
What is the meaning of Nirvakshyati?
Where?
Nirnayikam Bhumikam Nirvakshyati.
Bhavishyati. Nirvakshati means it will Nirnayikam Bhumikam Nirvakshati means Shivadhanu will play a decisive role. The Shivadhanush which was lying in the Mandapa, Swayamvara Mandapa, Nirvakshati means will play. Nirvahana means playing the role. Nirvahana is a common word in Telugu also we use. Nirvahistunnadu, performing. So Nirvakshyati is a future tense. What will it decide like? Nirnayikam Bhumikam, a very decisive role. Bhumika means role. Right.
Sita Swayamvaram Drashtum
Vishwamitrena
Saha Upasthitau Rama Lakshmanau Api Swayamvara Sabhayam Shobhamanu Astham Vihara Prante Pravahamanam Ganga Nadim Tirtva Te Tatra Praptavantaha Asam.
So in these two sentences, so you are watching na Bhashamanaha Jayamana Ghoshana Jayamana Vidyamanam Shiva Dhanuhu Napumsakabek. Therefore, Vidyamanam Shiva Dhanuhu Kamayamanena Ragna. These are all Shanach Pratyantas. Sita Swayamvaram Drastum Vishwamitrena Saha Upasthitau Rama Lakshmanau Api Swayamvara Sabhayam Shobhamanau Astam. So Rama and Lakshmana who are also accompanying Vishwamitra. So Sita Swayamvaram Drastum, to see the Swayamvara of Sita, Vishwamitrena Saha, along with Vishwamitra, Upasthitau, present, Rama Lakshmana. How are they? Shobhamano Astam, Asita Astam. They were brilliantly shining. Rama and Lakshmana, who were accompanying Vishwamitra, were shining when they were there in the mandapa to see this Swayamvara. So, Shobhamanaha, Shobhamano Rama Lakshmano. This is coming like an adjective for Rama Lakshmano. Astam is a regular verb. You remember? Asit, Astam, Asan, Asadhatu. Asti, Staha, Santi, present tense. So, Vihara is printed, na? Vihara, Vihar, both are same. Vi, Va, Vaba, I told you, na, Vabayor Abhedaha, that is the problem here. So, Vihar it is printed, Bihar. Because this Videha country, Mithila, is close to Nepal. Actually speaking, Sita was a Nepali woman. This Videha country comes somewhere close to Mithila is that country.
What is the meaning of Sita, sir?
Sita means when you take what do you call that Nagali, what is called in English? Plowshare. When you take a plowshare and dig some, make a scratch on the ground, when you dig the ground, there will be a furrow made. There will be a furrow made. So when Janaka was doing some activity on the ground, the Sita was found there. The girl was found in that. Since she appeared from the furrow, that is called Sita. So she is given that name, Sita. Sita means furrow. Okay. So where are we? Bihar Prante, in Bihar, Pravahamanam Ganga Nadim Tirtva, crossing the river Ganga flowing in Bihar. Te tatra praptavantaha asan. Te means they, that is Vishwamitra Rama Lakshmanaha. Vishwamitra Sahita Rama Lakshmanau. Te trayaha tatra praptavantaha asan. They all reached there, praptavanta, having crossed the Ganga Nadi flowing in the Bihar place. Next. So here you watch 1 second. Pravaha manam Ganga Nadim. Pravaha mana strilinga. Because Ganga Nadi is there, Nadim. So all Shatru or Shanach, they are used like adjective with the noun. Next. Ekaikashaha.
Ekaikashaha Rajanaha
Swabhagyam
Parikshitum Udyuktaha Aneketu Dhanushaha Utthapane Yatamanaha Asafalaha Bhavanti Sma Kechana Arambhat Eva Bhitaha Santaha Kampamanabhyam Hastabhyam Dhanuhu Uttapayanti Sma.
Okay. Ekaikashaha, one after another, Rajanaha, Nrupaha, Bhupalaha, Swabhagyam Parikshitum Udyuktaha. One after the another, the kings prepare to try their luck. One after the another, kings prepare to try their luck. Swabhagyam means their own luck. Parikshitum, to test. Udyuktaha means prepared. So one after the another, the kings prepare to try their luck, test their luck. Aneketu Dhanushaha. Aneke here is a pronoun. Aneke, many. Na eke, aneke. Aneke Rajanaha. Aneke Bhupalaha. Many kings. Dhanushaha Uttapane Asamartaha Yatamanaha. Dhanushaha Uttapane. In the very lifting of the bow. Dhanushaha, this is Shashti of Dhanush Shabda. Dhanushaha Uttapane, Unnayane, Uttapane nama Unnayane, Yatamanaha, trying, Yata to try, Yatamanaha, Asafalaha, Bhavanti Sma. They all became unsuccessful even in lifting the Dhanush. Dhanushaha Uttapane Yatamana, trying to lift, they all became unsuccessful in trying to lift the bow. Uttapane yatamana. So yatamana, you know, yatamanaha, yatamano, yatamanaha. This is going with rajanaha. Aneke rajanaha. Aneke yatamanaha rajanaha. Asafalaha also is an adjective. Asafalaha rajanaha bhavanti sma. So kings were becoming unsuccessful in trying to lift that. Kechana, but kechana, you have read na, this sentence? Yeah, you have read. But few, kechana means few, kechana rajanaha, and once again you take it here. Arambhat eva, from the beginning itself, bhitaha santaha, being scared, bhitaha santaha, san santau santaha, this is also an adjective like shatru. Bhitaha santaha, kampamanabhyam hastabhyam, with their hands shaking, shivering, with shivering hands, dhanuhu utthapayanti sma, they were lifting with their shaking hands. Kampamanabhyam hastabhyam dhanuhu utthapayanti sma, they were lifting with their shaking hands. Again, watch the derivation of dhanus here. It is looking like prathama, but this is dvitiya, Srinivas. Dhanuhu, dhanushi, dhanumshi, dhanuhu, dhanushi, dhanumshi, dhanusha, like that. So dhanuhu, this is dvitiya ekavachana. Some more, one more place it came now there. Shiva dhanuhu, second line. Vidyamanam Shiva dhanuhu, that is also dvitiya. Vidyamanam Shiva dhanuhu. No, that is prathama there. That is used in prathama. Okay. Next you have to read it.
Asapalyam kajamanahate upahasa patratam
vrajanti sma.
Sitam kamayamanaha
Ravanaha api
swayamvare bhagam grahitum agatavan asit.
Okay. Kechana over there is two sentences, only one sentence you read. One more you read.
Two sentences.
Two over. Okay. Asafalyam bhajamanaha. Very. Bhaja. Asafalyam. Safalyam. Asafalyam. Unsuccess. Failure. Asafalyam here refers to failure. Failure. Bhajamanaha. Getting. Getting failure. Or experiencing failure, you can say. Getting failure only. Asafalyam bhajamanaha. Labhamanaha. Labhamanaha. Te upahasa patratam rajanti sma. They were becoming the what you call laughing stock. Idiomatically saying in English, laughing stock. They were becoming the object of laughter. Upahasa patratam rajanti sma. They became the object of laughter. Literally, Srinivas. Getting failure, facing failure, those kings, te rajanaha, upahasa patram vrajanti sma. Vrajanti means here gachanti sma. They were becoming the object of laughter. See, in Swayamvara, one king comes and is unable to lift it. So all the other will be laughing at him. So that is upahasa patratam vrajanti sma. Sitam kamayamanaha, Ravanaha api, even Ravana also desiring for Sita, Swayamvare bhagam grahitum agatavan asit. He had also, Ravana also had come there to wishing Sita in this Swayamvara. Next.
Agatavan asit.
Agatavan asit. Agatavan means has come. Agatavan asit had come. That is become past perfect tense like translative.
Kampamanena shirasa saha dhanuhu
Utthapayan
bhumau apatat. Tad drishtva sabhayam vartamanaha sabhasadaha uchchaihi ahasan. Anena prasangena modamana Sita api स्वसखीं किञ्चित् भाषमाणा अहसत्.
Okay. Kampamanena shirasa. No, Kampamana is used here. Kampamanena shirasa, with his head shaking. Head shaking. Kampamanena shirasa saha Ravanaha dhanuhu utthapayan. He, with his head shaking, dhanuhu utthapayan. This is Shatru. Utthapayan. While lifting the bow with his head shaking, utthapayan, bhumam apatat. He fell on the ground. Who? Ravana. Ravana, while trying to lift the bow with his head shaking, fell on the ground. Utthapayan saha Ravanaha dhanuhu utthapayan, lifting the bow, bhumau apatat. He fell on the ground. Tad društva, seeing that, sabhayam, in the assembly, vartamanaha sabhasadaha, sabhyaha, the audience who are present in the sabha. Sabhasada we use for audience only. Sabhasadaha, this is bahuvachana. Sabhasad, sabhasadau, sabhasadaha. Uchchaihi ahasan, they laughed loudly. The audience who saw Ravana fall on the ground while lifting and while shaking his head, they all, tatra vartamana sarvepi rajanaha ahasan. Uchchaihi ahasan, they laughed loudly. Anena prasangena, with this incident, modamana Sita, Sita was very happy to see this fellow fall to the ground. So with this incident, modamana, feeling happy, Sita, api also, swasakim kinchit bhashamana ahasat. Sita also laughed a little while speaking to her friend. Swasakim, to her friend, kinchit bhashamana, saying something to her friend, ahasat, she also laughed. So that was a kind of a great insult to Ravana, and he took the, what do you say, yeah, when that revenge on Sita in that form. Next.
यदा तदर्थम् उपस्थिताः सर्वे राजानः अस्मिन् कर्मणि असफलाः अभवन् तदा विश्वामित्रः तत्र विद्यमानं सोत्साहं रामं धनुषि बाणसन्धानं कर्तुं प्रेरितवान्. Okay, this is a very lengthy sentence. Yada, when tadartham upastitaha sarve rajanaha, when all the kings, sarve rajanaha, yada, when tadartham upastitaha, tadartham shiva dhanushaha bhangartham upastitaha sarve rajanaha, all the kings who were there for the purpose of Swayamvara, tadartham upastitaha, present sarve rajanaha, asmin karmani asafalaha abhavan, when all the kings present there to lift the bow became unsuccessful. Yada asmin karmani, in this act, asafala abhavan, tada, then Vishwamitra tatra vidyamanam, then Vishwamitra tatra vidyamanam sotsaham Ramam, Rama, who was there enthusiastically, very enthusiastically participating in that event, sa utsaham, sotsaham Sri Ramam, dhanushi bana sandhanam kartum preritavan. So he encouraged Rama to, what do you call, to fix the bow into the arrow into the so dhanushi bana sandhanam kartum preritavan. So he encouraged him to. Ramaha, read on. Ramaha Vishwamitrasya ajñam manyamanaha modamanena manasa munivaram Vishwamitram janakam cha pranamya dhanushaha samipam gatavan. Saha yada dhanuhu unniya banam samyojitavan tada dhanuhu khandadvaye vibhatkam abhavat.
Okay.
Vibhatkam abhavat. Vibhaktam. Ramah Vishwamitrasya Ajnam Manyamanaha. Rama obeying the order of Vishwamitra, Modamanena Manasa, with a happy mind, with a exhilarated, not exhilarated, happy mind, Modamanena. Modamanena Manasa Manyamanaha, obeying the order of Vishwamitra, Munivaram Vishwamitram Janakam cha pranamya, having saluted the great sage and the king Janaka there, Janakam cha pranamya, Dhanushaha samipam gatavan. He went near to the bow. Dhanushaha Shashti, this is Srinivas. Dhanushaha samipam gatavan. He went near to the Dhanush, that is bow. Saha yada dhanuhu unniya. When he lifted the bow, Dhanu Dvitiya, this is. Saha yada dhanuhu unniya. Upari uthapitavan unniya. Banam samyojitavan. When he lifted and fixed the arrow into the bow, Banam samyojitavan. Tada, then, dhanuhu, that bow, Khandadvaye vibhaktam abhavat. That bow broke into two pieces. Tad dhanuhu Khandadvaye vibhaktam abhavat. Dhanush shabda is napumsaka, so all this is. Khandadvaye vibhaktam abhavat. It broke into two pieces. Tad društva sabhayam vidyamanaha sarve jetu jetu iti uktavantaha. You have to read.
तद्दृष्ट्वा सभायां विद्यमानाः
सर्वे
जयतु जयतु इति उक्तवन्तः। सीता तु रामस्य सौन्दर्यं दृष्ट्वा पूर्वमेव व्यामुग्धा जाता आसीत्। रामस्य जयं दृष्ट्वा मोदमाना सा रामं प्रीत्या दृष्टवती।
ओके। तद्दृष्ट्वा धनुषः भंगं दृष्ट्वा, तद्दृष्ट्वा, having seen that, sabhayam vidyamanaha vartamanaha vidyamanaha, both are same. So people who are situated, present there, survey all, they said jayatu jayatu, be victorious, victorious, be victorious iti uktavantaha. They said Sita tu, but Sita Ramasya saundaryam društva, having seen the handsomeness of Rama, beauty of Rama, Purvameva Vyamugdha, she was already attracted by the handsomeness of Rama. Jata Asid, Vyamugdha Jata Asid means she was very highly impressed by the beauty of Rama. Vyamugdha. Ramasya Jayam Društva Modamana Sa Ramam Pritya Društavati. So, having seen the success of Rama, she started looking at Rama with love and affection. Ramasya Jayam Društva Modamana, feeling very happy, Sa, Sita understood, Ramam Pritya Društavati. She looked at Rama with love. Prasannaha.
सखीभिः सह भाषमाणया सीतया सह रामस्य समीपं गतवान्। लक्ष्मणेन सह विश्वामित्रः अपि तत् स्थानं प्राप्तवान्। सीता रामस्य वरणं कृतवती।
Yeah, complete.
ततः गुरुजनानाम् आशीषं याचमानौ तौ नवदंपती सर्वान्
नमस्कृतवन्तौ. Okay. Ramasya over, that is over. Prasannaha Janakaha. Janaka, Raja Janakaha Prasannaha son Sakhibihi saha Bhashamanaya Sitaya saha Ramasya Samipam Gatavan. So, happy King Janaka, Sakhibihi saha Bhashamanaya Sitaya saha, and along with Sita who was accompanied by her friends. Sakhibihi saha Bhashamanaya Sitaya saha, along with the friends of Sita who were talking to her. Ramasya Samipam Gatavan. Janaka went near to Rama along with Sita who was accompanied by her friends. Lakshmanena saha Vishwamitraha api tat sthanam praptavan. So Vishwamitra also went to that spot along with Lakshmana. Sita Ramasya Varanam Krutavati. Sita did select Rama. Sita Ramasya Varanam. Varanam means selection. Sita Ramasya Varanam Krutavati. Sita Ramam Vrutavati. Vrutavati. Sita chose Rama, or Sita did the selection of Rama. Sita Ramasya Varanam Krutavati. Tataha, thereafter, Guru Jananam Asisham Yachamano, seeking the blessings of the elders and teachers there, Yachamano. Yachamano means seeking. Tau Navadampati, that new couple. Tau Navadampati Sarvan Namaskritavantau. They saluted all the people there, seeking the blessing of the teachers. So Tau goes with Navadampati. Dampati. Dampati is Patihi Pati, like Navadampati. Jaya cha Patischa. Dampati. So we will just in a while go through the Shanach Pratyanta Srinivas. Kamayamanena, adjectival to Janakena or Ragna, both. Next. Vidyamanam, used as an adjective for Shiva Dhanuhu. Jayamana, used as an adjective for Ghoshana. Ghoshana Jayamana. Then we have Bhashamanaha, Udghoshakaha, Bhashamanaha. Shobhamano for Rama and Lakshmana. Rama Lakshmanau Shobhamano. Second paragraph. Yatamanaha. One is missing. Yes. Pravahamanam Ganga Nadim. Manam Nadim. Yes. Then second paragraph. Yatamanaha. Aneke Rajanaha Yatamanaha. Bhajamanaha. Asafal. And again Bhajamanaha is adjectival to Asafal. Te Rajanaha. Kamayamanaha Ravanaha. Oh, we are missing. Kampamanabhyam Hastabhyam. So Hastabhyam adjectival like Shanach Kampamanabhyam. So Kamayamanaha Ravanaha. Kampamanena Shirasa, with his head shaking. Vartamanaha Sabhasadaha. Prasangena, not that. Modamana Sita. Modamana adjectival to Sita. Bhashamana, again to Sita only. Vidyamanam, what is this used as an adjective? Tatra Vidyamanam.
Sotsaham Ramam.
Ramam. This is adjectival to Ramam. Vidyamanam Ramam. Manyamanaha is one. Ramaha. This goes with Ramaha Manyamanaha. Modamanena Manasa. Manasa. Vidyamanaha Sabhayam. Vidya tad društva sabhayam vidyamanaha. There is no subject said, but it is understood. Rajanaha. Vidyamanaha Rajanaha Sarve. So, and the bottom Modamana. Sa. Yes, Modamana. Feeling happy. Bhasha Manaya. Bhasha Manaya Sitaya. And finally, Yachamanau Tau Dampati Navadampati. Yachamanau Tau Navadampati. Yachamano, Yachamanaha, Yachamano, Yachamanaha. Evam prakarena etani sarvanyapi shanajanta rupani bhinna lingeshu bhinna vachaneshu prayuktani santi. Agre gatva पाठ आधारितम अभ्यासम कुर्मः. अभ्यास संख्या 30-उत्तर-300तमः अभ्यासः. 330th exercise. Only 5 sentences in the beginning are based on this lesson. We'll quickly do that. Kena Swayamvara Sabha Ayojita. By whom was the Swayamvara arranged? Answer is very simple. Not necessary. Direct answer. The whole thing also you can write simply Janakena. But if you want, you can write. Yes. Yes. Mithilayam Sitayaha Vivaham Kamayamanena Ragna Janakena Swayamvara. Whole first line is answer. So first line is answer here. Or in short, if you say Kena, no. Sitayaha Swayamvaram Kamayamanena Janakena. Not necessary. Kena Swayamvaran Janakena Swayamvara Sabha Ayojita. That's all. In brief, Janakena Swayamvara Sabha Ayojita. That's all. Or you, as you said, the full length you can write. 2. Kidrushi Ghoshana Jayamana. What type of advertisement? Not advertisement, I'm sorry. What type of announcement was being made? What type of announcement was being made? Jayamana Asit Ghoshana.
स्वयंवर मंडपे विद्यमानं शिवधनुः
Nirnayikam Bhumikam Nirvakshati iti Jayamana Asit. So this is the second line. Please go to the text and do it. 3. Kim Bhajamanaha Rajanaha Upahasa Patratam Vrajanti Sma. Getting what the kings were becoming the object of ridicule.
असाफल्यं भजमानः
Asafalyam Bhajama. That is second paragraph, second line.
भजमानः राजानः
Upahasa Patratam Vrajanti Sma. Ke jetu jeti iti uktavantaha. Sabhayam vidyamanaha rajanaha jetu jeti iti uktavantaha. That is also there. Sabhayam vidyamanaha sarve jetu jayatu iti uktavantaha. And the final. Kim yachamano dampati sarvan namaskutavanto. Seeking what did the couple salute all?
गुरुजनानां आशिषं याचमानो
Dampati, Navadampati, Sarvan Namaskutavanto. That's it. They can answer. Very simple, na?
Yes.
Yeah, look at the. And the second part of this is Udarananusaram Shanaj Pratyanta Strilinga. Write this Strilinga. Strilinga forms of Shanaj Pratyanta here. As given, one is given Udarana. Shobha becomes Shobhamana. Bhaja becomes Bhajamana. Yata becomes Yatamana. Muda becomes Modamana. Bhasha becomes Bhashamana. Kampa becomes Kampamana. Very easy. I repeat. Bhajamana, Yatamana, Modamana, Bhashamana, Kampamana. Only Moda. Yeah.
भाषा
Ana. Yes. Bhashamana. Muda becomes Moda. Modamana. Kampamana. Ordinary. Kampamana. Only fourth you get Bhashamana. So you can do that also. 3. Udaharanagunam Shanas Pratyanta Pullinga Rupa. Now you write the masculine gender here. For example, Vapamanasya. All in Shashti he wants to. Dhvamsa Manasya. Dhvamsa Manasya. Labhamanasya. Ramamanasya. Yajamanasya. Badhamanasya. Badha to trouble, troubling of a fellow is troubling. So meaning not necessarily all are in Shashti. Vapamanasya, Vapatu. So Dhvamsamanasya, Labhamanasya, Ramamanasya, Yajamanasya, Badhamanasya. All to be derived like. Then Yajamanasya means one who is conducting the sacrifice. Yajamanaha. Not Yajamani. Yaja to sacrifice. Yajati, Yajeti, Yajamanasya. Of the person who is doing the sacrifice. Ramamanasya, of the person who is enjoying. Labhamanasya, of the person who is getting. Dhvamsamanasya, who is destroying. Like that. Vapatu sowing. Badhamana, one who is harassing, troubling people. So that is why meaning part, unless it is in a sentence, we cannot take it. 4th, Uchita Padaihi, now you match the following, very simple. Pravahamanayai, what will you pick up, Srinivas, to the ka?
One is already given, sir. Vartamanayaha.
The 4th is matching with Gna.
Samasyayaha.
First one.
Pravahamanayai nadyai.
Yes, Ga. Third one. Pravahamanayai nadyai. Okay. 2. Yajamanaya. This is Chaturthi. Yajamanaya. You just asked me, na? Yajamanasya. That is Shashti. This is Chaturthi Ekavachana. Yajamanaya. Chaturthi. What is Chaturthi? Ragni. King. Yajamanaya Ragni. If Nrupa Shabda is given, Nrupaya. 3.
Modamanam
Balakam.
Balakam. Modamanam Dvitiya, therefore Balakam. Vartamanaya given. Vardhamanaya, and the last one.
Balikaya.
Balikaya, by the growing girl. Vardhamanaya Trutiya, Balikaya Trutiya Ekavachana. So, once again, Pravahamanayai Nadyai. First one with Ga, Dvitiya. Second one, Yajamanaya is first one, Ragni. Modamanam Balakam. Vartamana is given. Vardhamanaya Balikaya. So, very, very simple matching. So, etat krutam idanim panchama amshaha. Oh, tatra bahava amshaha santi. Navamsha. Panchamaha amsha evam asti. Rikta sthanam purek. Fill in the blanks now.
Bhashamanasya adhyapakasya.
Okay. Adhyapakasya is shashti, therefore bhashamanasya should be shashti. Kampa.
Kampamanayam latayam.
Yes, Kampamanayam Latayam, on the creeper which is shaking. Kampamanaya. So Latayam is Saptami. Use Kampamana, Shanachin, Saptami Ekvachana, Kampamanayam Latayam. Next.
Dhvamsamanam bhavanam.
Yes, Dhvamsamanam Bhavanam. That building which is getting destroyed. Balakena. Yatamanena Balakena. Yatamanena, by the boy who is trying. Yatamanena Balakena. Brit. Varta Patri. Acha. Vrit becomes Vartamana. No, wait. This is Patra Shabda is Napumsakalinga. Varta Patri. Vartamane Partha Patre. Vartamanam Vartamane Vartamanani Patrani. If it is Varta, not Patra is given, then Vartamana Varta. That is Varta Patre means two newspapers are referred to here, Srinivas. Varta is Strilinga. This is fifth. So, Vartamane will just go. Kampamanayam Dhvamsamanam Yatamanena Vartamane. Yes, Vartamanam Vartamane. Very simple. Shall we write this or not necessary? Not necessary. Vartamane Yatamanena Dhvamsamanam Kampamanayam and Bhashamana. Okay, sixth. There are six. Yesham Mula Dhatum Nidishata. You have to find out the root here. Labhamanam Labha. Two. Bhajamana Yai Bhaja. Bodhamanat Buddha. Buddha Bodha. Shubha Shobha. Fourth. Shobha Mano. Yeah. Vidya, this is Vidyamanasya, and finally Vridha Vardhamano. So once again repeat: Labha, Bhaja, Buddha, Shubha, Vidya, and Vardhamano. Meanings not necessary for you. They are isolated. And the seventh point of Amsha is Manjushayam Pradattani Pumlinga Rupani Strilinga Rupani cha Prutak Krutya. You have to separate here. Yogya Sthanlika and write them separately. Or 1 minute. Just we'll try one. Pullinga, identify that. Kamayamanena. Strilinga Jayamana. Bhashamanaha Pullinga. Shobhamano Pullinga. Pravahamanam. This is Strilinga. Yatmanaha Pullinga. Pullinga. Strilinga. Bhashamana Strilinga. Mana is Strilinga. So once again, Kamayamanena comes in Pullinga. Jayamana comes in Strilinga. Bhashamana comes in Pullinga. Shobhamano comes under Pullinga. Pravahamanam Strilinga. Yatamanaha Pullinga.
Kampamanabhyam is Pullinga, and Modamana is Strilinga, Bhashamanaya Strilinga, Spardhamana, and which is in which Vibhakti, you just remind me, I will tell you next class. Identification of Vibhakti, we have not done, time is gone. Okay, stop here. Shivam Bhuyat.